Here is how to play Among Us locally with friends. So first, go ahead, open Among Us on your device, whether you're using mobile phone, PC, or console. Then select play from the left-hand side of the screen, which is the initial option available. Now here you'll get two different options of local and online. Go ahead, select local. This option is for players on the same network. One person should select host and choose either classic or hide and seek. Tap the question mark icon for help if needed. The host will enter the game immediately. Other players should go to the local menu and find the hosted game. Once everyone joins, the host can start the game and adjust the settings like roles, gameplay, time, and map. You can use the chat icon in the top to communicate with other players in the lobby, and the maximum number of players is 15. So customize the game to your liking and enjoy. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.